In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use PrivateFolio to get your letters of recommendation and how to transfer them from PrivateFolio to the application service, whether you're applying to dental school, medical school, or any other program. I'll show you my screen and show you exactly how everything works. And PrivateFolio is great because it allows you to collect your letters of recommendation early, store the letter confidentially, and if you want to apply in a later year or if you need to reapply, you still have your letters of recommendation stored and you won't need to ask your professors for the letter of recommendation again. So let's dive into how you can navigate PrivateFolio. So once you've logged into PrivateFolio, I recommend clicking Request a Letter, which will start the letter of recommendation request process. And here's where you're going to put in your letter of recommendation writer's name, email address where they're going to receive this letter of recommendation, and the subject line. And then for document title, you can put something like dental school letter recommendation, and due date is just whatever date you want to communicate to the writer that you want to have this letter of recommendation in by. They can still submit the letter of recommendation to PrivateFolio even after the due date. And then if you want to change the email that gets sent from PrivateFolio to the letter of recommendation writer, this is the space where you can do that. I definitely recommend clicking the box for this letter must be signed and that you waive your right to access the letter because the dental schools require that. And then when you click submit here, your letter of recommendation writer is going to receive an email from PrivateFolio. And what's really cool about PrivateFolio is that your letter of recommendation writer won't even need to make an account to upload your letter of recommendation. They'll just be emailed a unique link that they then click and then upload the letter of recommendation, let's say as a PDF, and that's it. Once they've done that, you will get an email letting you know that your letter of recommendation is now in PrivateFolio, which happens pretty much instantly after they've uploaded the letter. So from here, what I would do is I would click Rec Letters. And then what you need to do to transfer your letter of recommendation from PrivateFolio is get this unique email address that ends in rex.privatefolio.com and paste it into the AADSAS application. So we'll do that now. So you go into AADSAS, you log in, and then go to the supporting information tab, click evaluation, and in this space, put the name of your letter of recommendation writer, but in the email address, make sure you paste in that at rex.privatefolio.com email address, not your letter of recommendation writer's email address. And then for the due date, you can put any due date. This does not matter at this stage. And for the personal message to be evaluated, this also doesn't matter because no one is going to actually get that personal message. Since this request, it will be sent to PrivateFolio and their email, which they will then use to transfer over your letter of recommendation. And then make sure to waive your ability to review the letter. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you're applying to dental school and you want to see what a great personal statement and application can do for you in terms of acceptances and scholarships, check out this next video.